What's going on, guys? It's your friend Jack here, and I got some news for you guys that might surprise you a teeny tiny bit. If you didn't see my video yesterday, I posted it saying I got banned on TeePublic, but since then, someone in the comments, multiple people in the comments have commented telling me what to do to actually fix that, and all I had to do was pretty much send in some files of my own, my original work, and I emailed them in response to the termination email, and my account was unbanned. So now I'm going to show you guys the email that they sent me, what I responded with, just some simple, basically what you need to do to get your account unbanned, especially if it's banned in the first day or week. This is all you need to do to get your account unbanned. It's a very simple process. You just email them back and do something like I did right here. Alright, so here we have the original email. This is what they sent to me yesterday when I was banned. Basically, they don't give you any kind of idea why you're banned. But if you've been banned in the first week, the first day, the first little bit, then it's majority of the time an error, and you can pretty much get your account back right away if you just send them an email like I'm going to show you right now. So something like this. I know it's a bit stretched. I couldn't condense it. However, I'll read it out for you. Basically, I just said, hello, I'm pretty sure this is a mistake involving how I uploaded very frequently in the opening of my shop. This is because I have been building my shop with designs on other platforms, and just now I'm coming to TeePublic to get more traffic towards my designs. I've attached some of my PSD files used to create my designs in my shop. I only attached 3. I have about 90 designs in my shop. I don't believe you need to attach really PSDs if you don't have them. Just give them some sort of proof that your designs are yours. Maybe it's a screenshot of your Places subscription. Maybe it is a few of your design files raw uploaded with names. Maybe it's a screenshot of something else. Just give them some proof that it's your shop. Usually, I don't think they'll give you that much hassle. They're just trying to stop people from stealing designs because there are a lot of people just stealing and re-uploading like bots. So be careful. Don't be too angry. You can get your account back to show some proof, and they responded to me very quickly. I'll now show you the response email. So they said, hi there, thank you for reaching out and my apologies for any inconvenience. It does look like your account was flagged in error, but not to worry, I have just made sure your account has been reinstated and you should be able to log in normally within the next few minutes. Thank you for your patience, and please let me know if you have any other questions or concerns I can help with. They even put a smiley face at the end of the message, and then they said, best, Nicholas. So Nicholas hooked me up, he saved the day, and yeah, it wasn't that much of a problem. You just have to tell them basically that your designs are, yours truly, and you think this is an error. Just tell them you think, I didn't do anything wrong. Can I get this looked into? A lot of people do give up and don't even email them back, and I think that's why TeePublic has a bad rep. But really, they are trying to help us. They are trying to make sure people aren't stealing our designs and re-uploading them to the platform. Alright, and that's pretty much the whole video today. If you guys found this helpful whatsoever, or if you have any questions about TeePublic, let me know down in the comments. Thank you all from the last video telling me to send them an email in regards to this and tell them just to, I think it was wrong. Thank you guys so much for, leaving that comment. It helped me out. I might not have emailed them if you guys didn't tell me. So thank you so much. And with all that being said, I hope you guys have a great freaking day. It's been your friend Jack. If you made it to this point of the video, comment down below unbanned. And I'll see you guys in the next freaking video. Peace out. Keep striving. Stay blessed.